Hey, what's up, fish fam? Just doing a little cleanup on this tank. Right now I'm going to vacuum up some paint off the floor. Now I'm going to finish cleaning off the paint from this side of the back pane of the 92-gallon corner bowfront. I already did this side. Came out pretty good. I don't see any paint left. I decided to just use a razor and scrape it. I wasn't too sure if that was a good idea, but I watched a couple of videos, so what a couple other guys did. And being that it's the back glass, I decided it would be fine. I didn't see any scratches on the other panel after I finished, but even if there are some slight ones, these two panels go up against the wall, so you never notice anything. It takes a little bit of elbow grease, but as you can see from the other side, it was really a success in getting the paint off. At first I was going to leave it, but then I started to think about this blue paint as opposed to black paint. I just didn't like the idea. So now I just have clear black back glass, like how I have on my other tanks, and that'll be it. So that's pretty much it. I already did the leak test. I already cleaned out the inside. Now I just got to get a little bit of help, throw this tank up on the stand, and then I'll be all done. There'll be water and fish. I already got a filter that's ready to go. All right, y'all. On the next one, OG out.